Want to try a vegetarian pizza? I bet you never thought about using black beans on your pizza. You will also need a vegetarian crust. This crust by the Udi's brand is dairy-free, soy-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. Since it contains eggs in the ingredients, it is not considered vegan. You will also need a low-sodium brand of black beans, vegan cheese like Veggie Shreds, and some fresh avocados. You can get Veggie Shreds in the health food section of your local grocery store or at a national chain like Whole Foods. Udi's crusts come already pre-cooked, so just start layering your ingredients. The first layer should be your preheated black beans, your second layer should be your avocados, and the third layer is your veggie shreds. Then place in the oven at 375. Now just leave in the oven, in a preheated oven at about 375, and once the veggie shreds are all melted, then remove from the oven and it's time to serve.